Open 𝘺𝗂𝗃 app. Click on Video Editing and import your clip. Now click on Toning. Put Auto Enhancement around 50. You can adjust according to your need. Change Light up to 10 and Sharpen by 10. Now click on Video Layer. Go to Higher Quality. After applying higher quality, just save the video. Click on Continue and again import this video. Here also give video higher quality effect. It may take few seconds or minutes according to your video length. Again go to Toning and make Auto Enhancement 50. Just play with the settings because it's free of cost. Just look how I am doing, you may get some idea about it. Don't forget to subscribe because we are close to 20,000 subscribers. After you are done, simply save the video. And again add this video one last time. Give it higher quality effect. You can see the difference in quality. Now, you can simply save the video, or if you want more detail, then change toning setting. Now our video is ready to export. Thank you so much guys for watching.